Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe and share this video. Do you need a strong whitening product that you will use, it will not give you any side effect? You can talk to us. Or you need a glowing product that you can use and you will see your color with, beautiful, amazing review. Talk to us. So people who want to go into the marketing of creams, you don't know how to get back, talk to us. You want us to produce for you in a large quantity and brand them for you also. Put label on them and bottle them, send to you wherever you are. Talk to us, all right? So it is what it is. While we are in here today, I just want to show you some secret about some product that you can use. And when you use them, it will be okay for your skin, and also you can recommend to other persons too. Now see this product, this white glow. Look at it. You can call it S7 white glow or white glow S7. All right. It has UV on it. It has SPF 30 on it, and it's a product that when you use, I can recommend for you that use it. You will see results. We have different type of it, but this one. Use this particular one, you will see result. I don't want you to put it on the nutshell of people that, they do say, this product is white, it's the white. No, forget the marketing strategies. I'm only telling you. All right, what white for you might not white for another person's skin differ. But this product, this particular one, when this is so, it'll work, but not so fast. If only if you have patience about it. Now, when it's working, you might want to see some other side effect. That is why I said, before you use it, make sure you don't get any side effect for body. Say you don't want to get some side effect, you can start to use them because it will help those side effects come out very well because it works. So if you don't get white patches before, your white patches will come out. If you don't get stretch mark before, your stretch mark will come out. So it's better when you don't have any of that on your skin, then you start using it. And you can use it to work under the sun. Yes, you can use it to work under the sun. And you can use it to permit also. So if you say, okay, you just want to see his magic like in 7 days time, you want to see, you cannot mix it with the blend for now. That's on the screen now. You cannot mix that one with this one. If you want to see the magic in 7 days, quote me right, in 7 days, no matter how hard your skin is, you cannot mix with that blend for now. In 7 days, you see result. So in other words, this product is very, very okay for you. Look at it so that you don't say I did not tell you. Okay, this silky lightning is very, very okay. Fine. Now let's move to another one I want to show you. This Nature Secret. So way back, I know that when I see any other brand, another product or if I see another carton, another brand of the same product, I will want to condemn it because I have not used it. But I started, trying to pay attention. Okay, let me start to be using them because we know we have a lot of fake, So I started using also, and then I found that this new one, look at it very well. Is very, very okay. Super lightening body lotion and moisturize. As they put it, see before, after. Now say they work. Before, after. Now say they work. This product works very well. And the beautiful thing about it, don't let anybody tell you like it doesn't give stretch mark. It doesn't give any side effect. It doesn't. The product I'll be showing you, all these products, they are okay. So if I tell you go for it, go for it. I know the one before is white carton and green, but this one is not like gold and green. All right, but the product is safe to use. You can use it to work under the sun too. It's very, very okay for the skin. It lightens the skin and it also moisturizes. And I told you that any product that do these two things is a good product. A lot of people, there are products in the market that doesn't moisturize, they only lighten. And those are the products that are really giving you problem. If there is any harsh chemical on that product, and once it will attack you, I'm telling you. So all these, in as much they make them lightening, or they don't do them in a way that when you use it, then in some few days you'll be seeing side effect. No, they put treatment product inside, treatment recipe inside all these products. So it's a nice one. If you're looking forward to it, you better get it now. Look at it. You better get it. It's very nice. Okay, now let me show you another one that will amaze you. A lot of people, you all know this Egyptian product. You know, Egyptian, we have a lot of product of Egyptian. We have the one of Egyptian gold, but this one is Egyptian secret. All right, so the question Fumubi did ask that the Egyptian secret and Egyptian gold, which one is best? The two are okay. All right, the two are okay, but this one is more safer. And don't be deceived also. I told you, this any product I show you, go use it. It's only if only you are that type that you want you want to see results. You can go for those, you know, the ones that you think you would want to mix and other things, right? But this one, they are all gradually, and when it works on you, this one, to my special people who promise for people, you can use very, very safe and healthy for people. Very, very safe. So you can use this. Don't mind them saying 14 days, leave that one down and just stop. If skin differ, I always say that. So, but you can use it. It's very, very safe and healthy. Oh, this product, they're much for market. Now let me show you another toner. This is not toner. You see this toner, acne control. Look at it. If you know where to get it, go and get this acne control. Very, very okay for the skin. Very, very okay for the skin. There are some people, their skin are very tough. This is what I recommend for you. I wouldn't want to make this video longer than this, so I think I will end the video. Do not forget that yes, we ship everywhere. If you want us to make you a whitening cream that you white in 7 days, in 14 days, and as I pronounce them, that it is, contact us. If you want us to produce for you, want to rebrand, to be reselling, contact us. We've come to the end of this review. Bye bye.